The RoofMate coating system is very easy to apply and comes with a 15-year warranty. Instead of tearing off the roof, save money by repairing and restoring the existing roof in 3 steps. Just prep, seal, and coat. When installing roof coatings, it's important to understand the warranty details and have the tools needed to apply the product. It's very important to first identify the surface that's being coated. For TPO and PVC roofs, here's what's needed. Prep by pressure washing the surface. Then be sure to prime the entire surface with SP primer to ensure adhesion of the coatings. Next, seal using RoofMate Buttergrade flashing and RoofMate fabric to cover penetrations. And to reinforce seams, use RoofMate seam tape. For coating, apply a layer of RoofMate base coat. And to finish it off, apply a layer of RoofMate top coat. As an alternative, it's possible to skip the base coat and simply do 2 layers of RoofMate top coat. GAF Roof Shield coating is now being offered and is a more cost-effective solution than the RoofMate system, yet still provides 12 years of warranty coverage. Roof Shield works for repairs, but it's highly recommended for preserving roofs that are not leaking and in good shape. For both RoofMate and Roof Shield coatings, we provide 5-gallon buckets that cover approximately 100 square feet per gallon, while our primers cover approximately 200 square feet per gallon. To find out more about GAF coatings, visit gaf.com.